Hello, hello. Now, let's work on his legs. Shift A and create a single vert. Move it up here, extrude down, then extrude again. Go to side view, move this backwards, and extrude for the foot. Give it a skin and Ctrl 3. Go to edit mode and Ctrl A to scale. Go back to object mode, right-click, and convert to mesh. To avoid any distraction, select the arms and hit H to hide. Now select the leg and go to sculpt mode. Move this up and inflate. Just keep inflating and moving to shape the leg. I'll work on the feet on a separate video, but just shape it so it wouldn't look weird. Use line project to trim this. And maybe give the foot a little angle. Go to back view and pull this out. Draw these for the Achilles tendon. Then these for the hamstrings. Go to front view and draw these for the knee. Draw this curve for the medial surface of the tibia. Here's the medial ankle, then the lateral ankle. Notice how the medial is higher than the lateral. Draw this for the quads. Then this for the sartorius. Basically, we're just sketching some forms. Then I decided to redo the glutes, so I'm just moving this. Now back to the legs. I move this forward towards the aces. Then I shape the butt. Go to back view and pull this towards the middle. Male butts are kinda squarish, so push this in. And continue shaping the leg. Just keep checking the silhouette or the overall shape. It'll be easier for us to define the muscles later. Just a disclaimer, I won't be discussing each muscles since most of them will be smooth anyway in a relaxed pose. But I'll try my best to cover what we'll see on the surface. Then I remesh and smooth. I start from the aces where we'll find the sartorius muscle that flows medially and inserts to the medial side of the tibia. Then I like to bulk this up for the group of tendons from the gracilis and the medial side of the hamstrings. Here I'm just adding volume for the adductors. Here's adductor magnus. Here's the hamstrings. Here's the biceps femoris, and just remember its tendon being straight down to the head of the fibula. Now let's do the quad muscles. Although this is called quads, we'll just focus on its three muscles because the other one is right under the surface. I start with a teardrop shape called the vastus medialis, then the rectus femoris, and vastus lateralis. Then they come together in a tendon down the patella, then inserts down to the tibia. Here, notice how the quads are angled. Now, let's go back to the aces and create this triangular muscle called the tensor fasciae latae. Here's the gluteus medius, then the gluteus maximus. Then here's the iliotibial band. Then here's the medial side of the soleus, along with the flexor digitorum longus, medial side of the gastrocnemius, then the rest of the gastrocnemius. Notice how the medial side is much bigger, rounder, and lower than the lateral side. Here's the lateral side of the soleus. Then from the biceps femoris, straight down, and you'll see the peroneals. Beside the peroneals are the extensor muscles of the leg. Go to front view, and here's the tibialis anterior, which is responsible for this silhouette. This muscle is visible on everybody, so make sure to remember this. Then I just define the medial surface of the tibia again. Then smooth. Since this is a relaxed pose, most of these will be smooth. Now that the muscles are all in place, I just check and fix the silhouette from every angle. Then I select the torso and lower the crotch. And add some volume in here. Then for some added detail, add a crease here for this band. Remember that this is just for the relaxed pose. This will disappear once flexed. That's all. Bye.